Welcome to our channel. Activating your First Republic prepaid card online is straightforward. Here's how to get your card ready for use. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the First Republic prepaid card website. The specific URL should be included in the materials that came with your card. Step 2. Look for the Activate Card or Register option on the homepage. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 3. Enter your 16-digit prepaid card number. You'll find this number on the front of your First Republic prepaid card. Step 4. Provide your personal information for verification. This typically includes your full name, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Step 5. Create a username and password for your online account. Choose credentials that are secure but easy for you to remember. Step 6. Set up a PIN for your prepaid card when prompted. Select a 4-digit code that you'll use at ATMs and for transactions. Step 7. Review and accept the terms and conditions of the First Republic prepaid card program. Make sure you understand any associated fees. Step 8. Submit your information and wait for confirmation. You'll see a message indicating that your First Republic prepaid card is activated and your online account is set up. You can now start using your card and managing your account online. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.